Kuringana na minista wa ugendi kaunti ya Kwale Mutua uria araragia ari mwena wa Ngalu ni ugite ati ruhonge rwa waaki wa nyũmba cia gũikara ni rukoretwo rutekwirutaniria undu uria utumite thirikari ya kaunti yagĩrithie uigithia nigetha yagĩrithie ukuria wa matura.
We know there's a gap in real estate, and if we don't give you the support that is required, then that gap will continue, and the population in Kwale is growing with the services we are getting from the government are bringing in more people, causing the population to grow.
Nao Aigithia ni makenereire mũbango uyu makiuga ati ni uguteithia kugucĩrĩria agendi na nyũmba njega cia gũikara.
Might find it wise to facilitate this kind of achievement of owning home. I mean, it is well to do because, I mean, if we say east or west, home is best. That means from your hustles and bustles through the day, you need to go somewhere that you call home.
Hamwe na uguo, Lucy Wangari uria ni muikari mwena ucio ni ugite ati Kwale ni kundu kwega gwa kuigithia na guikara na akoria Aigithia kwaya kanya ga gwaka nyũmba kuu.
It's a good place for investment. As a visitor, it's a all-round place, and everybody is welcome.
Ngiribotera Inoro TV, njitagwo Lucy wa Mushoki.